everybody, Rob there for Southwest Florida Television. Just checking on the progress of the grading operation here on Vanderbilt Beach in North Naples, Florida. I'm guessing they might have the heavy stuff done tomorrow with this big bulldozer. And they got some filling in along the seawalls with the little machine, the little front end loader that they got to do. This is the north end of Vanderbilt Beach, Mariah Bay off in the distance there. This is Earth Tech that does this work. Earth Tech is the name of the company. They do a lot of the beach restoration. He's got to come down here and make a big cut into the water. It's just knocking this high spot down here and using that sand to fill in all the low spots. Well, the restoration continues. Good news. I just wanted to give you a quick little update. I just happened to be passing by here. Hey, thanks for watching. For Southwest Florida Television, I'm Rob Stan. God bless.